Hello students, till now I have covered the preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols. Now the next method of preparation of haloalkane is from hydrocarbons. So from hydrocarbon there are two ways to prepare. First is from alkanes and second is from alkenes. So as we know, hydrocarbons are the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. So similarly, alkanes, in case of alkane, the very first member is CH4 methane. And if we talk about alkenes are derived from starting from the second member, and the formula is C2, and just double of this is H4. So haloalkanes are prepared from hydrocarbon in two ways. So the first is from alkanes. So this method is very simple method because halogenation of alkanes give haloalkanes. And if we take example of these reactions, then CH4 when halogenated, means in the presence of halogen, if we carry the reaction, then reaction is carried out in the presence of sunlight. We use the term H nu here, or ultraviolet light or sunlight, simply because alkanes are generally less reactive in nature. That's why the chemical reaction of alkanes are not possible with an ease. That's why we use sunlight. Then the product form here is, it replaces the hydrogen from alkane part and it forms CH3Cl with the elimination of HCl. And one more thing which is very important here, because this particular halogenation is free radical substitution. That's why the further halogenation will take place, and if the further halogenation will take place, then again it reacts with halogen and in the presence of same sunlight. So it replaces one hydrogen again, and one hydrogen and one Cl is out from this, that is minus HCl, and the product form here is CH2 and Cl2, because one Cl is left here and one Cl is added in this portion, so it becomes CH2Cl2. Then further halogenation takes place and it gives trichloro derivatives. If you talk about the classification part, this reaction gives single product, monohalogenated product CH3Cl, and then after CH2Cl2, and further chlorination of this again replaces one hydrogen and it forms CHCl3, chloroform, which is very famous compound, chloroform, CHCl3, trichloro derivative, and one hydrogen is left. Then one more halogenation will take place and finally it forms CCl4 after the elimination of HCl. So in this way the haloalkanes are prepared from alkanes. So now the next method is from alkenes. So in alkenes there are two ways, because alkenes are formed in two ways, means symmetrical alkene and unsymmetrical alkene. So in case of alkene, first we proceed with the addition of hydrogen halides, that is addition of hydrogen halide like HCl, HBr, HI. These are hydrogen halides, and when we add hydrogen halides to alkene, it forms haloalkanes. So first, in case of symmetrical alkenes, so in case of symmetrical alkenes, the very first member of alkene is CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethene, alkene, and the name is ethene. So this is considered as symmetrical alkene because double bond is formed between two carbon atoms, and this is considered as symmetrical alkene. And when this symmetrical alkene is treated with hydrogen halide like HCl and HBr, so simply we represent here HCl as H positive and Cl negative ion. So in symmetrical alkene, the negative part of this species adding molecule is attached with one carbon atom and the positive part is attached with another carbon atom. So whether the negative part is attached with first carbon atom or if negative atom is attached with second carbon atom, in both the cases the product form here is same, that is CH2 becomes CS3 after addition, and this C double bond is split into single bond and this becomes CS3 CH2 Cl. So one hydrogen is attached in carbon atom and one Cl is attached in another carbon atom, and this bond here is split into single bond and it forms haloalkane, because the formula for haloalkane is this, and this is primary haloalkane. Now the next method is addition of hydrogen halides to unsymmetrical alkene. So if you talk about unsymmetrical alkene, then unsymmetrical alkene is the second member of alkene, that is propene, because it contains 3 carbon atom. So the carbon atom against the double bond are unsymmetrical. So this is propene, and when we add hydrogen halide like HCl, HBr in unsymmetrical alkene, then we use a specific rule for the addition, because this time we have 3 carbon atoms and it is quite difficult to add negative or positive part in this alkene. So this is according to a specific rule which is very important, that is known as Markovnikov's rule. The name of the rule is Markovnikov's. That is according to Markovnikov's rule. So according to Markovnikov's rule, the negative part of the adding molecule, here we are adding HCl, so the negative part of the adding molecule is attached to that carbon atom which contain less number of hydrogen atom against the double bond. Here the number of hydrogen atom is only 1 and here it is 2, that's why the positive part is attached here in this case. So again it is very simple. जो नेगेटिव हम पार्ट ऐड करते हैं एडिंग मॉलिक्यूल का, यहाँ पर जैसे HCl लिखा है, इंस्टेड ऑफ HCl अगर हम HBr लिखेंगे तो Br नेगेटिव पार्ट होगा, तो Cl या Br द नेगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ द एडिंग मॉलिक्यूल इज अटैच्ड टू दैट कार्बन एटम विच कंटेन लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम, और देन प्रॉपर्टी इज यूजिंग अगेंस्ट द डबल बॉन्ड. तो डबल बॉन्ड के आप देखें इस तरफ कि किस में हाइड्रोजन कम है, तो इस वाले कार्बन एटम में आपके हाइड्रोजन कम है, तो इसलिए यहाँ नेगेटिव पार्ट अटैच्ड होगा, और ऑब्वियस है कि जो पॉजिटिव पार्ट है वो आपका दूसरे वाले कार्बन एटम में अटैच्ड होगा. तो जब डबल बॉन्ड में अगर एडिशन होता है तो ये सिंगल बॉन्ड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. सो द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म हेयर इज CH3CH because Cl is attached here in second position and this becomes a secondary alkyl halide. ये secondary आपका कंपाउंड बनना है, इसको बोलेंगे हम 2-chloropropane. So it forms 2-degree alkyl halide. So Markovnikov rule gives secondary alkyl halide. And now the next possibility of this reaction, यहाँ तो आपने नेगेटिव पार्ट वहाँ उस कार्बन एटम में जोड़ा जहाँ हाइड्रोजन कम है. सो इसका अपोजिट भी एक रूल आप पढ़ेंगे, दैट इज नोन एज एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल. दैट इज नोन एज एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल विच इज कॉमनली नोन एज Kherash effect. Kherash effect, or this is also known as peroxide effect, because this reaction is taking place in the presence of peroxide. Organic peroxide इसमें लेते हैं, और आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा instead of using HCl, this is a specific, or we can say the particular reaction, anti-Markovnikov rule. In this anti-Markovnikov rule we use only HBr instead of using HCl or HI. We use only HBr, and the rule is just opposite of Markovnikov's rule. So in Markovnikov's rule we add negative part in the carbon atom which contain less number. Here in this anti-Markovnikov rule, in the presence of organic peroxide, it is the negative part of the adding molecule is attached to that carbon atom which contain high number of hydrogen atom, or oppositely we can say the positive part is attached to that carbon atom which contain less number of hydrogen atom. So the product form here is change, and the product form here is CH3 CH2, because here CH, one hydrogen is attached here, it becomes CH2, and double bond changes into single bond, then CH2 because Br is adding on the last carbon atom, then it forms CH3Br. So here the product form here is 2-bromopropane, and this is known as 1 degree alkyl halide. So this is the basic difference between Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov rule, and both the rules are forming the haloalkane in two different ways. One is forming 1 degree alkyl halide and second is forming 2 degree alkyl halide. This is all about the preparation method of haloalkane from hydrocarbons. Thank you.